Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Friday, September the 12th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1. U.S. stock futures are pointing mostly lower after indexes closed at fresh record highs on Thursday. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures are lower by 0.2% after the blue chip index rose by 1.3% in the prior session. S&P 500 futures also are pointing lower, and Nasdaq futures are fractionally higher. Bitcoin is moving higher to trade at more than $115,000. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note is inching higher. Oil and gold futures also are up. Number 2. Microsoft and ChatGPT maker OpenAI signed a non-binding memorandum of understanding that would allow the nonprofit to restructure as a for-profit company. OpenAI's nonprofit parent would hold an equity stake in the for-profit company exceeding $100 billion, which OpenAI said would make it one of the most well-resourced philanthropic organizations in the world. Shares of Microsoft are higher by more than 1% in pre-market trading as the tech giant avoided a European Union fine, with the bloc agreeing to its plan to unbundle Teams from Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook for business customers. Number 3. Adobe shares are up 3% in pre-market trading after the graphic software maker reported better-than-expected revenue and profit as sales of its AI products topped company targets. Adobe posted fiscal third-quarter adjusted earnings per share of $5.31 on revenue that jumped 11% year-over-year to a record $5.99 billion, above analyst projections compiled by Visible Alpha. CEO Shantanu Narayan said that Adobe has already surpassed its AI-first revenue goals for the year, leading the company to raise its sales and profit outlook. Number 4. Warner Bros. Discovery shares are 6% higher in pre-market trading after surging 29% yesterday, following a report of a takeover bid. The Wall Street Journal reported that Paramount Skydance is preparing a majority cash bid for all of Warner Bros. Discovery, which had proposed splitting its studios and streaming businesses from its cable TV networks. Paramount shares are higher by 1% in early trading. Number 5. Shares of furniture seller RH are down by 8% in pre-market trading after its second-quarter results came up short of analysts' expectations, and it lowered its revenue outlook. RH said it now expects full-year revenue growth of 9% to 11% in 2025, down from its prior projection of 10% to 13%. The company pointed to $30 million in tariffs costs for the trimmed outlook and said it was delaying the launch of a new product line due to the increased costs. RH's adjusted EPS of $2.93 on revenue that increased 8% to $899.2 million came in below estimates. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous. Make it a great day.